everyone and welcome back to my channel Be Yourself. This is Dr. Rajni and today I'm going to deal with a question which is given by someone, and this is based on the genetics, and this is very simple questions and is the most favorable and favorite question for the question setter of the competitive examination. They just twist the sentences and make it difficult to understand, but believe me, it is not difficult once you got all the information that how to calculate such types of information. So let's start with this. So here the question is that the short hair in rabbit is governed by the dominant gene capital L and the long hair by its recessive allele small l. Black hair results from the action of the dominant genotype capital B and brown from the recessive genotype small b. So from here it is already been mentioned that it is recessive, so obviously we need two recessive genes to express for the brown one. So what information we are having? We are having two dominant one for the length of the hair which is the short and another is the black, whereas the recessive one is small l and small b is long and brown. Now come to the first statement. The first statement is saying that in crosses between dihybrid short-haired black and homozygous short-haired brown rabbits, genotype ratio will be 1:1:1:1. So what does this means? Dihybrid means it will be heterozygous, or we can say capital L is small l, capital B is small b is crossed with the small l, small b. So we all know that when we are going to cross with the hybrid one with any one of the recessive one, this is known as test cross, and in this test cross we always have the ratio of 1:1:1:1. So definitely statement P is right. Now coming to the next one. In crosses between dihybrid short-haired black and homozygous short-haired brown rabbit, phenotypic ratio will be 1:1. So this is completely wrong, because this ratios comes when it is monozygous when it is having only one trait. If I will talk only about the length, or if I will talk only about the color of the hair, then on that case phenotypic ratio will be this one. And we all know that in test cross, genotypic as well as phenotypic ratios remain the same. So statement Q is wrong. Now coming to the third statement, which is the expected phenotypic ratios of the crosses between the hybrid one and heterozygous for the length but homozygous for the color of the hair will be 3:3:1:1. So we will be verifying this just in a moment, but before that, come to the next statement, which is easier for us to calculate. Next statement is the expected genotypic ratio for this will be, or the heterozygous for the length as well as color of the hair will be 1/4. So how we can calculate this from this? So we know that here we have the parents is heterozygous and another is the completely homozygous. So when we will cross with this heterozygous capital L with homozygous small l, then what we will be having the offspring? One offspring will be capital L small s heterozygous and another will be homozygous. So definitely here the probability of getting capital L small l is what? Half. Similarly, the probability of getting heterozygous for the color of the hair when it is crossed with the recessive one will be having the similar result like that of the length of the hair. So it will be also 1/2. And what is the desired ratio we are looking for? We are looking for the capital L small l and capital B small b. So as per the probability, this falls under the statement and. So what will be the result here? Half into half will be 1/4. So we all know that in AND statement we multiplied our expected probability results. So this statement number S is also true. Now coming to the last one, which is which I have left here because we have to go for the crossing here. So though this statement is right, because it always happens like this. So again, what I am going to do, I am going to find out the gametes from these two parents. So how many gametes it will be giving? Capital L, capital B, capital L small b, small l, capital B, small l and small b, and this will give capital L small b, small l, small b. So we are having capital L small b, small l and small b. Now let us cross it. We will be having capital L, capital B, small b, capital L, small l, capital B, small b, capital L, small b, small b, capital L, small l, small b, small b, capital L, small l, capital B, small b, small l, capital B, small b, capital L, small l, small b, capital L, small b, small b. Now first one is what it is for the short hair. The length of the hair will be short but the color will be black. So how many such results we will be having? 1, 2, 3. So we are having 3 short hair with black color. Next is short hair with brown color. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. So again we are having short hair with brown color, 3 species. Now here this will give you long hair with black color and here long hair with brown color. So this is 1 and 1. So definitely the third statement, which is expected phenotypic ratio of the crosses between this and this, will give you 3:3:1:1. So the answer will be B. So this is how you try to solve all these questions. It is just a matter of the practice. The more you will practice, just by looking at the ratios, you can give the statement, you can justify the statement with it which is wrong and which is right. So hope you will like this video, and if any doubt will be there, then kindly comment me on the comment box. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, keep on practicing.